Welcome to today's tutorial on how to activate security alerts on Snapchat with the latest updates for added peace of mind. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device and navigate to the Settings or Notifications section to manage your notification preferences. Tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings. Next, locate and tap on the Settings icon to delve into more detailed settings within the Snapchat app. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Notifications to customize your notification preferences according to your preferences. Under the section labeled Message Preferences, look for the option Transactional Messages and mark this option to enable security alerts for important transactions and activities on your Snapchat account. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you stay informed about key activities on your Snapchat account, enhancing your overall security and awareness. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to make the most out of your social media experience. And there you have it, the updated guide on how to turn on security alerts on Snapchat. Give it a try and stay proactive about your account security with real-time notifications for peace of mind.